Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to apply Safe Anti-Police Check. So for that just go to the Google and type this link. I'll put this link on the description box as well as in the comment box. So once you go inside, click for apply NPC and then read the following instruction. Then press continue. Then tick the both option. Click on continue and then choose for the employment. If it is for employment, then the payment price is there. Choose the document that you want to upload, but make sure you have to upload 100 points. So one from category A. In my case, I will upload passport and driver license. That will cross 100 points. Click on next. Then you have to upload those documents that you have mentioned in the previous section. So once you upload your passport and driver license, in my case, just click on next. Then fill these details. And if you have any other name, then you can fill it there as well. Make sure you fill it correct. Then fill these details as well, the address history for the last 5 years as well. Then here choose the first option and write the reason for applying this safe anti-police check and verify all the details before clicking submit button. Then here you can do a payment after this. Once you do the payment, your payment will get approved. So just put the card details for a payment. So once the payment is approved, you will get an email on the email as well, where you can see your application number and also a PDF. Now you have to wait for the safe anti-police check to arrive in your post. So this is for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the content. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video.